You see, this Justice Crack matter, it really expose a lot of things. What be the things where he expose? It really come show the kind mindset where people get for that country. Even people where they talk say they be humanitarian, civil rights activists, yada yada yada. It come show the kind mindset where people get. This last court appearance where they go, where apparently they say just what do they call him, Barrister Mashal, say withdraw in case Randy Peter come outside, they talk, Mama P, she na her name, that lady. They come out say Barrister Mashal, he come out in hand for the case, as he step down, as he recuse himself, he come out in bail applications, yada yada yada. Now that young man ended up doing waiting, going back into custody. Now who gain at the end of the day? All of them probably gained, except Justice Crack. Now to come tell you the kind of the way people they carry think. Now to just show you the kind way people they carry think. So much ego. The ego now, one kind nonsensical kind of ego where people they flaunt around. You want show, you want power. Because I blame all of them, all of them. That Mama P, that Randy Peter, even Showore, all of that, they carry day for that their group. Even the Barrister Mashal gone. I blame all of them for what they do to that boy. Waiting when I want show power for. Okay, una no want make somebody else take glory. What they call him? Barrister Mashal, he come. Una want come because he dey with VDM. Una want make be say na him take the glory. Make be say na VDM take the glory. Barrister Mashal gone as they tell you say they don't want you again. Brother, why don't you just say okay respectfully? You come out your hand, leave them, make them do their matter. But no. Una must solve the problem. Una must fight each other. Una must show power. Una must show una ego. Una no agree. This person no agree. Now who suffer? No be Justice Crack. The same person you they fight for. Mama P and all of the Showere group, and Randy Peter, they come out. They blame him. Na VDM lawyer. Una focusing on this same what they call him, Barrister Mashal. We be Showere lawyer. Nobody remember saying na Showore lawyer again. Na VDM lawyer. Una need sense so. Una self bad gone past the politician we'll get now. Till I catch you on the next one.